Imagine raking in $10,000 a month with an Instagram influencer who doesn't even exist. That's right, we're talking about creating an AI influencer with the power to explode your income. Forget expensive cameras and endless editing. This is the future of social media fame. Building a successful influencer takes time, effort, and maybe even a little luck. But what if there was a shortcut? What if you could create a flawless, captivating influencer in minutes using free AI tools? Buckle up, because in this video, I'm revealing the secrets to crafting your very own AI influencer empire. Step 1. Craft your dream influencer. Before we dive into AI, let's get creative. What kind of influencer will dominate your niche? A fitness guru? A fashionista? Take a second to comment below and tell me your dream influencer persona. Witness the magic of AI art generators as we create a stunning portrait for your influencer. So, the first step is to gather your source image. And for this, you can use different open source generative image models. But in this case, because we need to stick with the ones specialized on creating photorealistic images like these ones that you cannot even tell that they are AI generated. Some of the best models that are free to use and trained to create hyper-realistic images are Juggernaut XL, Stable Diffusion XL, and Leonardo Photoreal. For this example, we are going to use Leonardo.ai or Leonardo Photoreal. It's definitely my favorite, mainly because of all the features included that, especially for the last step of this video, it's crucial to achieve a refined and believable result. So once you're inside, you'll see this interface with some different options on the top, and below you'll also see a bunch of images created by the community, and these honestly look stunning, but not all of them reflect the style that we are going for. But don't worry, as you're about to see, we have full control on that. And so, in our case, we will only need the image generation option for now. And to gather our source image, we'll just click on Image Generation that brings you on this page, where you can see an empty space on the top, where you can put in your prompts and a bunch of different options on the left corner that will help the AI understand what type of images we want to create, as well as the resolution. In this case, I want the AI to create 8 different images. I'm turning on Photoreal as well as Alchemy. The aspect ratio is going to be 1:1, and then here you can choose your fine-tune mod. In this case is locked on Leonardo Photoreal since we turn on Photoreal as an option. Then finally I choose cinematic over here for the prompt. I'm going to write portrait of a really beautiful 26-year-old California girl. Perfect beauty, looking directly at the camera. And in under 20 seconds, this is what the AI created, honestly. I think it did a great job, and so from here, you just choose the face you want for your AI influencer, and I think I'm going for this one. So just click here, where it says download image to save it directly on your PC. Yes, some of these features may require having a premium account. As of the release of this video, it's just $10 a month, and that is not too much for what you get if you think about it. That's like the price of a pizza. And if you won't like to pay for the premium, you can still produce stunning images by selecting other fine-tuned model, like Lightning XL, Kino XL, Vision XL, or Absolute Reality version 1.6. Now let's move to the next step, secret face swap technique. I guess you're probably thinking, now that I have chosen the face, how can I keep it consistent for all the different images that I'm going to create? Well, there are a couple of ways you can do that, but most of the tutorials online are a bit too complicated and usually involve a lot of steps. However, I found a way to make this process a lot easier, saving you a lot of time with the same results. So first, you need to set up your own Midjourney Discord server, and this is quite simple. First, you need to download Discord if you don't have it already, and to speed up this process, you can just click on the link in the description, which is going to bring you directly to the Discord download page. Then you just click on the plus icon to add a new server. In this case, we'll call it AI Influencer, and right after that, you go over the official Midjourney website, midjourney.com. Once you're there, click on Join the Beta and add it to the server you just created. Now click on the GitHub link in the description. That is going to bring you to this page right here. That is basically a step-by-step guide on how to use the inside face swap bot, and you can read it if you want to, or just directly scroll down until you see this link where it says invite the inside face swap bot to the chat room by this link. And so by clicking on it, we are going to add the face swap bot to our AI influencer server. And this bot is amazing, let me show you. You start by typing /save ID in the server and choose an ID name for your influencer. In this case, I'm going for Maggie. and I would try to avoid using spaces here since it could give you an error, so keep it simple. Next, you'll drag and drop the source image. So in this case, the one I chose earlier, and after you dragged it into the designated box, you just hit enter button. The bot will then create your ED name and save it. So now comes the fun part, because every time you want to use the face of your AI influencer on another image called the target image, you can just type /swap ID, then enter the ID name you just created. So Maggie, and then drag in a target image. For example, this one. And what happens next? It's pretty amazing. In under 5 seconds, the bot performs a face swap that is so perfectly done, you would never even think for a moment that this is not the original face on this picture. Now, to be able to save the image, just click on the picture in Discord and choose Save Image. From here, by repeating this process with different target images, we are able to create all the pictures we will ever need for our brand new Instagram account dedicated to our AI influencer. Next is flawless finishing with AI editing. At this point, I would highly recommend that you pay attention to details, like moles on the skin and various skin features. And there's a great way to remove imperfections, because you will definitely run into the specific problem. And so instead of spending a lot of time regenerating images until you find exactly what you need, you can just use the Canvas editor feature on leonardo.ai. First, upload the image you want to edit. I'm uploading from my computer. Then click on Select and move this area on the right spot. Click on Draw Mask and highlight the area you want to change, and then simply write a prompt about what you would like the AI to generate. So in this case, I want to remove this mole. And so I'm going to type skin, and after a few seconds, the AI is not only going to generate images that fit perfectly with the surrounding area, but it's also giving you several different options to choose from. And if you're not happy with any of those, you can just click on Generate Again until you're satisfied with the result. And so now, let's say I want to change the color of the eyes. For example, after drawing a mask around the eyes, I would type brown eyes. And as you can, good and realistic. And once you're happy with the changes, just click down here to download the artwork. Congratulations, you just built your own AI influencer. And really soon, you will be able to create videos with your AI influencer as well. Now let's talk about the most important aspect. Earning with your AI influencer. Sponsorships, brand deals, and even exclusive content platforms are all within reach. Once you set up the Instagram account and maybe the more spicy account as well, the only thing you're left to do is to upload 2 or 3 images per day. And since that can be done in under 10 minutes, you can easily incorporate this process into your daily routine. It takes a very short amount of time but have a very high earning potential. But remember, building a loyal audience takes quality and consistent posting and engagement. Meet Aitana, for example. She's an AI influencer who went from 0 to 240,000 followers in just 5 months. And within that time frame, she was already earning over $10,000 per month. Imagine the possibilities with multiple AI influencers and strategic marketing. Now, imagine how much you could potentially earn if you start creating several different AI influencers and maybe even advertise them on other platforms. I really hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, if you enjoy this video and you will like to stay up to date with latest money-making methods, consider subscribing to this channel. And before you go, I'll highly recommend that you check for the video where I explain how you can create videos with your AI influencer next. Let's build a community of AI influencer pioneers together.